If you are an agency looking to actually make huge profits and huge upside with AI, this is your right video. In this video, I show you how to use AI as agency. So let's get started. You can use AI as agency in two methods. The first method is to actually use AI to automate a lot of tasks like blogs, marketing. It actually is the most creative tool out there. Like literally it could make you emails, cold emails better than anyone else. The second method is to actually implement AI in your business. How you might do that? Well, we will speak about that in another video. But keep in mind, AI is not a joke. It's really big and it's really going to take over, but don't be late and jump on it on the right time, because ChatGPT gained 5 million users in 5 days. That's crazy. So with that said, first of all, head to your favorite browser, in this case, google.com. And there in the search tab, I'm going to search ChatGPT OpenAI. Make sure to type all of that correctly, because there's a lot of ads containing other stuff that are not OpenAI, because OpenAI is the best. Click on the first link, and after that, click try ChatGPT. Right here, first of all, you can see that they have trained the model to do a lot of amazing stuff, which is amazing. Right here, as you can see, sadly, if ChatGPT shows at capacity, don't worry. Just go ahead, click try ChatGPT again, and keep waiting for it to work. If it doesn't work, then just go ahead, log out 1 hour or 30 minutes, and you'll be good to go. You can even check their stuff and understand what exactly is ChatGPT if you are interested. But otherwise, as I said, as an agency to use ChatGPT, click on try ChatGPT. You will be able to sign in or to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, click login. If not, click sign up, and then you'll be able to create an account using Microsoft, Google, or your personal email, which is basically the same. After that, you will be able to ask ChatGPT how to create blog, how to create ad, or how to create anything you want basically. It's literally amazing, very easy to use. Thanks for watching and goodbye.